Hey guys, welcome back to yet another video of Tech Wafer. Hopefully you are having a great day. Adil here, your host, and let's get started with the unboxing and the first impression of Realme C21. Speaking about the key features, the Realme C21 has 5000 mAh battery, 6.5 inches mini drop, full screen, an instant fingerprint scanner at the back, and a 13 megapixel triple rear camera setup. And in the performance section, the 4 GB of RAM is coupled with 64 gigs of internal storage, and it is powered by a MediaTek's Helio G35 chipset. The color that we have with us is cross black. So that's pretty much it about the key features of the phone. Let's dive into the unboxing. Instead of the standard Realme unboxing experience, this time the box slides. At the top of the box, you are getting a flap that says, "Hey, welcome to the Realme family." And inside that flap, you are getting the quick user guide and the manuals. Then in the box is the Realme C21 device itself. We'll come back to the device later on. And then you're going to find a 10 watt standard Realme adapter. It's not a fast charging brick, so you'll have to wait a little longer than the normal charging experience that you might normally find on Realme devices. And then you are going to find a USB micro cable. It's been quite some time that I've not unboxed a phone with a micro USB cable. Speaking about the design, you are getting a 6.5 inches IPS LCD panel at the front, and it is TUV Rainland certified. Speaking about the position of the buttons, you are getting volume rockers and the power button on the left side and the SIM tray on the left side of the phone. And as always, this phone is carrying a dedicated micro SD card slot, so you'll not have to sacrifice the SIM. As far as the back of the device is concerned, you are getting a geometric pattern at the back. The back of the device is made up of plastic material, and it's providing a matte finish at the back with the rigid patterns, and you can literally feel that texture on the back, and it is overall a good user experience in terms of the design. The grip of the phone is enhanced, and as well as this pattern at the back makes the smartphone resistant to the fingerprint smudges. At the top left corner, you are going to find a triple rear camera setup following the traditional design of 2021, and right besides it sits a fingerprint scanner. And as far as the performance of the fingerprint scanner is concerned, I am totally okay with it. Down towards the bottom of the back, you are going to find a speaker grill, and it is kind of a unique placement of the speaker grill that I've seen on any phone. At the bottom of the phone, you are going to find the placement of 3.5mm headphone jack along with the microphones and a micro USB connector. Speaking about the software of the Realme C21, you are getting Realme's user interface 1.0 running at the top of Android 10.0, and this software is said to be upgradable to Realme's user interface 2.0 very soon. And this phone comes with 4 GB of RAM and 64 gigs of internal storage while being powered by MediaTek's Helio G35 chipset. This is the same chipset that's available on Realme's C12, Realme's C15, and a few others. As far as the user experience of the Realme's user interface is concerned, it is quite simple. They are offering mostly stock Android apps like the dialer, messages, or some other apps. Even the file manager is also from Google. And as far as the efficiency of these apps are concerned, and they consume less resources while performing better. As far as the display of the Realme C21 is concerned, the 6.5 inches IPS LCD panel with TUV Rainland certification works surprisingly well, and as far as the viewing angles are concerned, they are also not disturbing, and overall I did not find any problem with the Realme C21's display. As far as the media experience of the Realme C21 is concerned, the speakers are loud enough, but I don't think so that they are stereo speakers. However, they are loud enough that you'll be able to hear the voice in the whole room. As far as the performance of the phone is concerned, the MediaTek's Helio G35, even though is not a top-notch chipset, but in this price segment it is a decent one, and you can play games like PUBG and Call of Duty on balanced setting at medium frame rate. However, there are some options that are available in the market in the same price bracket as the Realme C21. Even the Realme's Narzo 30A has a much better processor than this one. So if you are into the gaming, I'd rather recommend you to get the Realme's Narzo 30A over the Realme C21. As far as the gaming experience of the Realme C21 is concerned, I think it is an okayish gaming experience that this phone is providing. As far as the battery life of the Realme C21 is concerned, the 5000 mAh battery I think is huge, and it is enough to last 2 days even under heavy usage, because this phone has a medium power consumption chipset which does not consume a lot of power. So I'm pretty sure that this phone can last 2 days even if you're a heavy smartphone user. So if you are concerned for the battery life, this phone is not going to let you down there. However, the charging speed of the Realme C21 might be a concern for you because the 10-watt power brick is going to take a while to charge the Realme C21's 5000 mAh battery, and I'll cover more on that, so stay tuned and do not forget to subscribe to Tech Wafer. Now it's time for the camera setup, and this phone is offering a 13 megapixel rear camera setup and a 5 megapixel selfie shooter at the front. As far as the quality of the picture is concerned, they are average, and in this price segment I think they are providing a decent camera setup here. As far as the indoor performance of the camera is concerned, photos are a bit noisy and grainy. However, in an outdoor situation, this camera is performing quite well. Now you're looking at the camera samples, you can decide on your own. Okay, so here's an indoor camera sample of the Realme C21. You can judge the quality and you can do let me know that in the comment section. How did you find it? I'll wait for your comments. Hey guys, so that's pretty much it about the unboxing and the first impression of the Realme C21. I'll cover an in-depth review of this phone very soon, so stay tuned and do not forget to subscribe to Tech Wafer for more fresh content like this. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, peace out.